to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news. Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here at the ViewSonic booth, joined by the one and only Shane Roma. How are you?
I'm so good. Thank you so much for coming here.
Yeah, of course. How has day one treated you?
It's been busy, but
Yes.
it's been good. A lot of good conversations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
love to see
Voice
it.
is still here, so doing good,
Yes.
doing good.
So for those who are watching and listening, ViewSonic, you guys are very well known, and of course, the personal display space.
Yeah.
But y'all are now very well known in the LED space.
Yeah.
Talk a little bit about what that growth has been like.
Yeah, so ViewSonic, almost 40 years actually as the display innovator, but the past couple years we've moved into direct view LEDs as well as commercial displays, so continue that innovation but just on a larger scale. So instead of just at a personal workstation, now we're doing very large, conference rooms, but also gymnasiums and everything kind of in between now, yeah.
That's crazy. Y'all are known for, it is so rare to find a company with that much breadth.
Yeah,
industry.
kind of
So,
soup to nuts, whatever the application,
Whatever
portable
y'all need,
monitors,
yeah,
all the
we
way
have
up to
it.
the giant stuff, everything in between,
Absolutely.
we got it.
So tell me what we are looking at here at our first stop in the ViewSonic booth.
Yeah, at the welcome
Who
reception.
is this pretty girl right here?
Well, this is one of our all-in-one direct view LEDs. Here at ViewSonic, all of our direct view LEDs are all-in-one. So this is our LDM series. So this is going to be great for those conference and boardrooms I was talking about. We've got our speakers, we've got our all-in-one controller is in there, plug and play. So this is going to be 1080p. So this
Very
is kind of the welcoming, it's kind of the
Yeah.
the medium porridge, if you will, of our direct view LEDs. Then we've got some higher end that I can show you in a second
Yeah,
here.
very
But
cool.
yeah, that's how we want
What's
to greet
the
you today.
installation process like for
Oh,
this one?
it's actually pretty easy. So we've got a few mounting rails and a French cleat system that you mount these on. They're all vertically integrated, and then you mount this control bar and wire it all up. There's no software required,
Nice.
so it's all very plug and play. Everything's calibrated, everything's mapped. So yeah, we do have a certification. So if you go through that certification, it'll probably take maybe 4 hours to put
Nice.
this up.
All right. What's next?
Yeah, so we're going to walk over here
Okay.
to some more direct view LED. That's going to definitely be the theme of the show.
Yeah.
We've got some of our custom direct view LEDs
Oh, yeah,
here,
these
like
are
a little
gorgeous.
tower here.
Not a lot of heat coming from these at
No,
all.
yeah, these are very efficient. So direct view LEDs have come a long way technology-wise
be
over the
hot.
past
They
couple
used to be
years.
so
you
hot.
could feel it, right?
Yeah.
You get a sunburn.
Yes.
It almost like being outside here in the Vegas
Yeah.
heat. So yeah, very efficient. And it's actually only getting more efficient. So this, we're announcing our movement into micro LEDs. So this is MIP. Now,
Yeah.
what's unique about this, though, is that it's MIP technology, but still all-in-one.
Okay, talk about MIP technology a little bit.
Yeah, so this is going to be the latest generation of direct view LED technology. So this is going to be more efficient. So it's going to be even cooler. It's going to consume less power. There's going to be deeper blacks, higher contrast ratios, better color uniformity. So this is going to be kind of the latest and greatest for the most premium image quality.
And what was the pixel pitch?
So this one is going to be 0.9. So at 163 inches, this is going to be a 4K resolution.
It looks great.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Yeah. So, like I mentioned, still all-in-one. So the control bar is actually hidden behind there,
hidden
whereas
behind
we
it.
saw it exposed
Yeah.
there. But yeah, still all-in-one. Everything's still calibrated. No software, just as easy as the other one I showed
What
you.
kind of application for this one would you recommend versus the first one we saw?
Yeah, good question. So this is going to be like executive boardroom spaces, places where you really want that image quality, maybe high-end lobbies where you really want to make that a good first impression.
Absolutely. All right, let's go to the
So
next
we're going to
one.
keep walking around here. So here at ViewSonic, kind of our theme is people first, Pro AV ready. So we're trying to go with
Yeah.
solutions that we can show. So
Yeah.
we're going to continue on. This is kind of our enterprise corporate area. So we're going to snake through here. We're pretty busy, which is good.
Yeah, that's good.
We are showing off. We definitely still do have projectors. So we're showing
Yeah.
that up. Of course, monitors. We've got our new folding monitor right
Oh,
there.
that's very cool.
Yeah, that's been kind of a big
So,
hit.
yeah.
It is fun because we just talked about very expensive, very high-end stuff, but that's actually probably been the biggest hit of the booth.
Really?
This,
Is
this
the
folding
foldable
Yeah,
monitor
people
here.
love it. Yep, so you got independent images on there, so it's a dual display, but it just size of an iPad, folds right up. So that's been a really big hit this year.
Easy for those people who are hybrid workers,
Yeah.
sometimes in the office, sometimes at home. Yeah.
Go to Starbucks, you've now got
Yes.
3 screens.
Yes,
Yeah,
I see
super easy.
1 million applications for this,
Yeah,
so of
it's been
course.
great.
Sometimes the simplest things are the things that do the best.
That is the theme here, is how can we make things so simple?
Yeah.
And that's actually our next series right here.
Okay, yeah, this
So
is
I
another
mentioned
all-in-one.
everything we do is all in one. This is us taking that simplicity to the next level.
Yeah.
So this all-in-one, everything is now in the cabinets. So there's no separate controller, there's no separate control bar, everything's very plug and play. So that ease of installation of mounting the cabinets, but now there's nothing extra. There's no control bar, it's very simple, it has a simplified OS, so there's no apps or anything on there, plug and play.
So now the day-to-day, like, you know, the in-house AV integrators, it's easy for them to handle as well.
Absolutely, very easy to put up there, but also operation. There's no complicated menus, there's no Android sub-menus or anything like that. You turn it on, you select your HDMI input, and good to go.
Wonderful. What's our next station?
Yeah, so we're actually going to continue on that simplicity.
Okay.
So over here are our commercial displays, and we're trying to really streamline that conference room environment. So we of course have displays that I'm going to show you that do have the built-in Android operating system, so that's going to give you things like AirSync and stuff like that, but these displays are OS-less.
Okay.
So
how does that work?
Yeah, great question. So there's no Android OS on there. There's no apps that you're installing. There's no, from an IT standpoint, you don't have to worry about those vulnerabilities or anything like that. It is a display. It is plug and play. Turn it on, plug in your HDMI from like your MTR or Zoom room, and you're good to go.
It just works?
It just works. So when you're thinking about integration, especially when you're doing multiple of these, think about it, you're doing 20 rooms, 50 rooms, instead of going into each one doing all the settings, you plug it in, you plug in your MTR, you're good to go.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
That's
so
really cool.
We're trying to make it as simple as possible. That's the whole theme of this is how simple can we make it?
That's what customers are asking for these days, isn't it? Like,
Absolutely.
how can I get more with it not being more complicated for me?
Exactly. How can I get the experience that I'm looking for without having to sit there in menus all day?
Yes,
and that's
and
what's
constantly have to be fixing and adjusting.
Absolutely.
And that's
exactly.
awesome.
So,
very awesome.
Over here we are showing kind of our suite of commercial displays. We have an ultra wide that we're showing 21:9 in portrait. We're also showing we have some 16:7. We have our 24/7, which that does have the Android OS. There are times you would still want that. So for instance,
this is your digital signage display.
Exactly. Yep. You can play content natively from it. So that's what we're doing with that. There's no player or anything. The player is built into the product. Yep. And then we're showing just another size of our G3 that I was talking about before.
Yes.
So this you would put a player behind or something else. It doesn't have that built in, but if you're in those high security environments, you'll want that OS.
That's going to be what you want. Okay. Very cool.
Absolutely. So as we kind of snake through here, we actually are showing our demo, our pixel pitch demo. So when it comes to direct view LED, sometimes it's kind of tough to visualize when we say things like pixel pitch.
And what that's going to look like.
And what does that actually mean? And so we have this demo where it's different pixel pitches, and then we can just kind of step back and you can see it like in real time. Oh, I see, like as I get farther back, I can no longer tell the difference between these, so you know what pixel pitch to get.
Yes, so you know, if the person viewing my content is like 20 feet away, I don't need the narrowest pixel pitch for the content that I'm showing.
Exactly. So this helps pick out the best pixel pitch. It's something that our sales team has as well. It fits in suitcases, so we can bring it around to integrators, trade shows, things like that. So if you want to see this in person,
I have seen this at the Almo E4, I believe. Yes, I knew I'd seen it before. Very cool. So what else are we looking at here? I know we have the education area
here. Now we're in
here.
our education center, and so a lot of people do know us for education as well with our interactive flat panels.
Absolutely.
Right, so we're showing a few of our different generations of flat panels focused on whether it's the education, so these are going to be IR, as well as some of our premium interactive flat panels. So this is going to be PCAP. So this can be used not only in education, but also in corporate environments.
Yes.
When you want that collaboration, has OPS slots inside. In fact, there's an OPS inside there, so you can run Teams off of it. You can run the native Windows applications if you would like.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, you're not really looking to do that as much in the education
Correct.
space.
On the education side, it's going to be more EDLA.
Yeah.
As well as we do have some of our own software on there, such as Manager, My View Board, right, that it's going to run Class Swift. That's going to be more on the education side, and then this will be more on the corporate side.
Very cool.
Yeah,
I think we're about to look at one of my favorite products next.
We are.
I think this is the one that won our award, isn't it?
I believe it is.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just going to snake around here real quick.
Excuse us.
All right, so we're trying to reach new heights here quite literally. But this is our foldable, mobile, height adjustable direct view LED.
And why is it important to have all of those in one product?
Yeah, mobility. So this can fold in and you can bring it down, and now it fits in standard sizes elevators.
And talk a little bit about why that is important, because not everyone has a freight elevator.
Exactly. So most people don't, right? And so even that 108-inch, one of the reasons we came out with that I was discussing earlier, similar thing, 110-inch doesn't fit in an elevator, neither does a 138-inch direct LED. But when you can fold it up like this fits in a standard passenger elevator.
Yes.
Most buildings are not going to have a freight elevator in it. So if you want to put something like this on the second floor or higher, or get into tight spaces, fold it up, bring it down. It's very portable, very mobile. It also ships like this, so there's no installation. It comes out of the box ready to go. That flight case right over there is actually what it's going to ship in.
Very cool. And where are you seeing this shine in terms of applications? Yeah,
so what's great about this is because of how mobile it is, it's pretty ubiquitous. So obviously events are probably going to be one of the bigger ones, just because it can be moved around to different centers and stuff like that. But believe it or not, it's been big in education. They have a lot of environments where they can't do a permanent install. They're in older buildings and stuff like that. So they'll use something like this for multi-purpose spaces or events. And then also corporate, similar thing. They have multi-purpose spaces that maybe the room changes. So it's been used a lot there as well.
It kind of makes me think of like the best version of like when you were in elementary school and the TV wheeled in and you know it was going to be a good day. Imagine like this is wheeled in and you know in your
with
class
Airbud on it and you know
and
you're about to watch the movie.
it's going to be a good day.
Yeah, exactly. I agree. You don't have to rewind the VCR on this, but
no VCR necessary.
No, and then we're going to end here.
Which is beautiful,
and then again, that simplicity, simple, simple, simple. So this is our larger LDE. Again, everything is built into the cabinet, so you get the full-scale direct LED experience, but a couple hours to install. Very simple to use, very simple to operate. Direct LED, it doesn't have to be complex to get a big, seamless image.
That's fair. What is the installation for this one versus the one at the welcome area?
Yeah, so the big key difference is the one at the welcome area had that control bar below it. This does not have that, right? So everything's built into it. So instead of wiring up that control bar, everything's built into the cabinets to make it even simpler.
Awesome. Well, Shane, thank you so much for taking me around the booth. Where can people find more about ViewSonic?
So they can visit our website. It's going to be the best way to do it, viewsonic.com. All of this is going to be there, or swing by the booth at C7010.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. It was good seeing you in person, finally.
Oh, yeah, you too.
And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.